the government's policies are directly any saving grace. And we also, you know, when I was arrested, the head of the DEA came out to announce my arrest. And from the very beginning, this has been a political case. And now that the government is trying to prosecute me, even though I've already served my time, it shows how really corrupt they are. And as part of that corruption, we've already proved to the court that the prosecutor lied to the grand jury. We've proved to the court that the prosecutor is vindictive. And now we're going to prove to the court that the prosecutor has been bribing people and bribing witnesses. And we look forward to this, and we look forward to a prosecution of the prosecutor. Thank you.
Now that you're going to trial, what do you hope to come out of it? What do you hope to be the final result of this trial?
Well, I'd like to see the laws change, but this is going to be a big impetus, I think, to show how, to help change the laws, because it's going to show how really corrupt the government has to be in order to continue with its policy, which is against, you know, it's sort of like the Iraq War. Most Americans are against the Iraq War, but the government continues. Most Americans think that medical marijuana patients should be able to get their medicine, but the government won't let them have it. And so we have to forcefully stop that through the courts.
Can I ask your name? And I got a question. Robert Ampara. Are you going to, the jurors in the first trial, they asked if you knew that he was considered himself an agent of the city of Oakland. They said they wish they'd have known that, they might have done things different. Is that the type of thing you hope to bring out this time?
That's exactly the type of thing. We hope to let the jury know the truth. The federal government, the prosecutor in this case in the last trial, filed motions with the court to preclude the defense from giving that kind of information, that pertinent and material information to the jury for them to consider. And because of the federal laws, the judge kept that out. We anticipate to give, we are bringing in several different motions to try to bring that same information in under several different legal theories this time, so that the jury can make a decision about guilt or innocence based on the whole truth, not just Mr. Bevan's half-truths.
Can you give us that in a soundbite, in one or two sentences, what you hope to bring in? Because it was kind of long, and it's a good pertinent point.
We hope to be able to present the jury with the truth in this trial, and the truth is that the whole truth, which is that Mr. Rosenthal was deputized by the city of Oakland to help produce medicinal cannabis, so that the dispensaries could be supplied with medicine. And that's all this is about.
One other interesting point just that we want to note is that today is the day we're going to be filing a motion under the Hyde Amendment seeking attorney's fees for this vexatious, bad faith, and frivolous litigation. We are going to be bringing this action against the U.S. Attorney's Office, and specifically seeking for the U.S. Attorney's Office to reimburse the legal team, all of the people that have contributed to this defense,